Once you know this eyeliner hack, you are going to get the perfect wing liner every single time in less than 3 minutes. I've seen so many bad eyeliner videos as a makeup artist, and it's really not that hard. There's 2 things that I need to address before we get started. If you're a lazy girl like me and you want to have more time in bed, then go for a felt tip liner version. It's almost like a pen, like a writing pen. This is the Benefit They're Real Extreme Precision Liner. It's like a brush and a liquid liner had a baby. Do not lie to me. Do you do your base makeup first, or do you do your eyes first? If you do your eyes first, if you do your base makeup first, then you need to be leaving your concealer completely free. Starting with your eyeliner, it has to be horizontal to your lash line. I'm using that whole side of that eyeliner. My hand is going to mimic the direction it's going. My direction is from up to down. I'm going to start from the middle of my eye. We're not just using the tip, we're using the side. I've got my mirror and I'm pointing the mirror down. I'm looking down so that I can keep this area here quite tight. I'm using really small strokes just to mimic my lash line. We're not doing a thick line, we're just doing a really thin line like we were tight lining. Stamping and dragging. Pro tip, if your eyeliner dries out at all, just spray a little bit of water on it. Baby strokes. When it gets to this corner, stop, because we're going to change angle. We need to figure out what wing suits our eye shape, but it's really not that complicated. If you've got a hooded eye, you don't want to go over the top of that crease. You might want to go underneath, so keeping your wing a bit more straight. Or if you've got almond shaped eyes just like me, you might want to take the wing up like this to give a bit of a lift, but you need to think about how you're going to tackle this crease part. Now I'm going to go on a diagonal this way. If you've got hooded eyes, you want to go straight across here, following where my eyebrow is here. You are worried about this not looking good. Don't worry, because we're going to clean it up with this hack. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to make it quite splodgy. This is where the hack comes in. To correct this eyeliner, you're going to need one of these products. This is a concealer brush that's quite flat. This one here is a cotton bud that's pointed. I'm going to take a little bit of micellar water. We're going to use this flat edge here because it's nice and straight. I'm going to follow this line underneath. So the micellar water is just going to erase eyeliner that we don't want. Start erasing. Can you see how it's cleaned up that wing? Just use your finger to just blend it out. Amy, but how the hell do I match it on the other side? Let me show you. Following our lash line. So this is the angle we did last time. So we're now going to go this angle. Find it easier. You can turn the pen around up towards my eyebrow, just like how I did on the other side. Let's do a really bad eyeliner. I'm going to use the cotton bud exactly the same as I used the concealer brush. Create a bit of a wing. I'm going to erase the rest. Because we haven't put our concealer or powder there yet, there's nothing to mess up. Going back in with a bit of eyeliner. If you want your eyeliner to pop, like really stand out, then take some concealer, go in where you did the micellar water to erase the eyeliner, clean up underneath to make it really pop. It's like a really sharp line. Can you see? If this eyeliner hack saved your life, then I want to know in the comments. Want to see more of me on your feed? You know what to do. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.